Hello my friends, so here is another video today. In this video I'm going to show us how you can make your oatmeal fufu using microwave. I know you have seen me most of the times making fufu. I'll have to use a pot and cook it over the stove and and all those fun stuff, but this is just a very quick way of using your bowl and microwave, and that is it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So here I have put already boiled water. I brought the water to a rolling boil, and then I put the water in my bowl, and then I just added a cup and a half of oat flour. So I made this oat flour myself. So yeah, it is 100% oat that is here. It has no other kind of mixture. Okay, so what I'm doing here now, I'm just mixing the oat flour with the hot water thoroughly, just to make sure there are no lumps and to make sure the water and the dry flour all mix thoroughly. So that's what I'm doing. So and that's what you should be looking out for when you're doing this mixing. Okay. So once you're done with the mixing, this is actually just all you need to do, and that's it. Then you go put it in your microwave. So the next slide you're going to see is me taking this properly mixed, I'll call it oat paste at this time. So that's me just putting it in the microwave, and that's it. And it just spent only 2 minutes. Okay, and after that, yes, I brought it out, and voila, that's it. And this is me now turning it, gradually. This is where you can adjust. If it is too hard for you, if the texture is too hard, you can add a little bit of hot water over it and and turn it. So when I was eating, it was a bit hard. At this point I would have added a little bit of hot water, but then it wasn't that too bad. But just to let you know that at this point you can do some adjustments too. Okay, yeah, so you can do some adjustment. And if it's too soft, yeah, you can add some dry flour, mix them and take them back to the microwave. Okay, so you just kind of repeat the step if you want to adjust. Well, in this case it was all good, and I served it with my favorite vegetable soup and my stewed meat by the side. That's it. And yes, my oatmeal, my oat fufu or oat swallow is ready. That is it. So this is a very quick one. If you are not the type that I'm not gonna start turning on the pot over the stove, is a lot of work for me. Yes, you can use your microwave, and that's just the essence of this video, to show you that yes, you can use your microwave to make your fufu. Okay, so if you have watched up until this time, and if you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe, click the bell sign, choose the option that says all. That way you receive all my notifications anytime I post a video. There is also a thanks button. Click that thanks and appreciate this video. Okay, share, comment. I want to hear and read from you. What are your thoughts? What are your reactions? Is there something else you want me to show how to use microwave? Yes, I can do that for you. Okay, until I see you in another video, remember, your health is your wealth. Your health is your wealth. You are what you eat. So eat wisely, choose wisely, because we love you. Bye-bye.